On today's episode, battery sizing. That's right, we're going to take it to the next level and make it easy for you. And a simple calculator that I developed online, and I'll show you that shortly. So why do we need all this, you guys? Because you don't want to buy the wrong battery, the wrong one. That's the whole point of this video, everyone. So hey, before we forget, please like and subscribe, and let's get on with the show. So why do we need to do this? Well, batteries aren't cheap. And I mean, why buy something that you don't need? So let's size it properly. We don't want to carry a big old battery up the mountain if we don't need to, right? So let's get sizing it. Step one would be current draw. You need to find what is going to be your maximum current draw of your equipment that you're operating. So if it's a trolling motor or a ham radio, write that number down and we're going to punch it into the calculator soon. Step number two is capacity runtime. How long do you want to operate for? So if it's a battery for trolling on your fishing rig, or if it's ham radio, you want to be at a pull park for 4 hours, write that down. Step three is size and weight. Now, if you're watching this video, size and weight does matter. I mean, you could just go and buy the biggest battery and plunk her down. Who cares what size or how much capacity, right? You got all you need. So that is an important factor. What do you going to use it for? Now let's get to the point of this whole video. How do I calculate the amp hour? Well, there's a lot of equations out there. You could take your max amp draw divided by the average time using an hour. That's your cycle rate. For ham radio, factor in the mode you're using and RF power output. That'd be AM, FM, all. Yeah, it gets really complicated, right? We got a lot of stuff and there's videos on that on how to do that. But I have an easy way for you guys. And this is pretty cool. Just head over to my website, mrmuds.com. I'll put a link in it. I developed this calculator where you put in your actual rig or a custom value. Let's use the ASU the 991 running at 50 watts for 4 hours in the park. We're going to use sideband. There we go at the bottom. 10 amp hour battery is what you want. I even give you the amount of time it takes to recharge. So simple as that. Hit reset, put in what you want. We got another radio here, 7610. We're going to do 100 watts. We're going to run it for, let's do an hour. Ham radio. Hey, you know what? I'm feeling kind of crazy today. Let's do FM. We need a 20 amp hour battery. Simple as that. So you guys go run out to WattCycle, pick up yourself up a battery. The fine folks have given me a couple of batteries to try out to do all these calculations and to do all this testing. And I tell you, one heck of a battery. The features they have is phenomenal. Check out my other videos to see what I'm talking about. Thank you again, you guys. Please like and subscribe. And see you hams on the bands. And if you're not a ham, what are you waiting for? Go get your license. 73s.